Plasmic versus FlutterFlow. Full comparison of no-code or low-code app development. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into powerful no-code or low-code platforms, Plasmic and FlutterFlow. If you're looking to build stunning web or mobile apps without writing much code, this comparison will help you figure out which tool is best for your project. Let's dive right in. Plasmic is best for design first, code-ready components. First, it has the advanced design tool with pixel-perfect design capabilities that rival Figma with real-time responsiveness. 2 is the code integration. It integrates directly with a framework like React, Next.js, and Vue for a developer-friendly experience. Third, reusable components. Build and maintain consistent UI components across multiple projects. And the fourth is the CMS and headless integrations. Easily connects with headless CMS platforms like Sanity and Contentful, but it requires development into full potential. Best suited for teams that mix design and development. Second is limited no-code logic. Unlike web, logic and workflows typically require custom coding, but it is still best for design-focused teams and development who need a flexible tool for creating stunning UI components with seamless code integrations for React and other frameworks. FlutterFlow, on the other hand, is best for cross-platform mobile apps. First, it has a built-on Flutter, generates production-ready Flutter code for iOS, Android, and the web. Second is drag-and-drop UI Builder, user-friendly interface for building responsive apps without deep coding. Now, on the third is the Firebase integration, native support for authentication, Firestone, and other Firebase tools. It also has a custom code support, which allows adding custom Dart code for complex logic and custom widgets. But it is only limited web design flexibility, geared more toward mobile app development than web-first applications. Learning curve for non-developers. Understanding Flutter concepts can be challenging for beginners, but it's still best for developers and entrepreneurs who want to build cross-platform mobile apps quickly with powerful backend integration and custom code support. Now let's dive into our final verdict. Use Plasmic if you're focused on creating visually rich, responsive web apps with custom code flexibility and headless CMS integrations. On the other hand, use FlutterFlow if your priority is building cross-platform mobile apps with strong Firebase integration and the power of Flutter's ecosystem. The question is, which platform are you leaning forwards to your next project? Let me know in the comments. I hope this comparison helped clear up strengths of Plasmic and FlutterFlow. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more app building insights. See you into the next one.